Hey, you sweet like Sundays. Need you on Mondays, cause those be the worst for me. You ease it perfectly. My pick me up like babies with their arms reach.
Hey y'all, it's your girl dauntlessdany, and if you want to see how I achieve these salon looking nails right at home, then keep on watching. So for the sake of this video, I've already did my left hand right off camera and saved my right hand. So my right hand is dominant and I'm less dominant with my left hand. So I thought it would be easier to show you guys this process on camera with my dominant hand. This is what I used. It's called the GH Dip Powder Starter Kit. And it came with 6 colors and 4 liquids. The 4th one was just a brush saver. So you're going to see me show them right out of order. But then again, I show you everything that comes with it and what I use in order to achieve this nail look. This is just step 4, the brush saver. It helps me to clean the brushes. I have step 1, which is the base coat. Step 2, the activator. And step 3, the top coat. So I'll be using just these 3 for my nails. So here I've already prepped my nails off camera. I filed them down and cut them. Here I'm just applying some clear tips that I've also ordered off of Amazon. And I'm just going to go through and see which clear tips fit my natural nails and just apply those as I go along. Also guys, I do not know what colors are specified in my kit because they do not say. But yeah, there's just a bunch of neutral colors that I know of. Also, everything that I use will be down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Okay, so now that all my clear tips are applied, I'm going to go through and clip them. So I'm just going to file it. So I think this is alright for the time being. I'm going to go ahead and start applying the powder. And buff out where my nail and the fake nail meet. That way the application will be a lot smoother. That's what I forgot to do on this hand. You want to make sure that you get an even coat and also that it's going on smooth. So I think I'm satisfied with the activator. Now the activator just gets the nail ready for the top coat, then 3. This is the final look, guys. I hope you like it just as much as I do. I use this cuticle treatment to put at the base of my nails in order to ensure healthy nails. Also, yeah, like I love the shine that the top coat gave me. Like it is so shiny, and I didn't even have to use like a UV light or anything. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subby, make sure you like and comment and share this video even. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.